Namaste. Welcome to Ameya Online. In today's video, we'll be showcasing Kalamkari sarees. We're back again with our Kalamkari sarees today. These are all silk Kalamkari sarees featuring in this video. Our silk Kalamkari sarees are not entirely pure silk sarees. They are a mix of cotton and silk. Please note. And also please note that the Kalamkari sarees that you see on the video are not as bright as they will appear in real, because we have had complaints from customers saying that they don't look as bright as they look in the video. Please understand that these are handmade products in a very natural way, and they will not be as bright as they look in the video. And let's get on with the show.
What I'm wearing is sari number 1.
Sari number 1 is this beautiful off-white sari with these vines all over the body of the sari. It's got this vines in mustard and grey, like that, like you can see, and it's got border on only one side in a grey. Yeah, and that will be your pallu. It's got this beautiful abstract print all over the pallu, and it's got a printed blouse. So this is sari number 1, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. Moving on to sari number 2. This sari number 2. Sari number 2 is this off-white sari again with this beautiful blue borders on both the sides. The upper border is a little smaller than the lower one, and the lower border features all these beautiful lotuses and peacocks, like that. It's got this very big border, and yeah, can we see the pallu? And that's the pallu. It's got these 2 peacocks, and it's got a printed blouse like that. So this is sari number 2, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Moving on to sari number 3. We have payment options like Paytm, Google Pay, InstaMojo, and PhonePe. So if you wish to make a payments, then that is how you can do. And see this sari number 3. It's a black sari with vines all over the body of the sari, and it's got big peacocks at the bottom, like that. So that's the body of the sari, and the pallu has pallu looks like that. It's got 1 or 2 big peacocks like that, and it's got a printed blouse. So this is sari number 3, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. We now see sari number 4. It's a beautiful red sari with all these perched peacocks all over the body of the sari, like birds actually, not peacocks. So you can see these birds all over the sari, and these vines again, floral vines all over the body. The sari has got border on only one side. It's got a blue border again with peacocks and other birds, and that will be the pallu. It's got a beautiful Radha Krishnas with a cow behind them, and that will be your blouse. So this is sari number 4, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. So this is sari number 5. Sari number 5 is this beautiful black sari. It's got these face masks all over the body, all over the sari. But this sari is partly pallu, or the langaoni style of sari that's called in Telugu. So for the pleats, you will see this kind of a print, which is the ikat printed ikat. And for the
Pleats you get the
and for the oni and all that, you will see this big faces. Yeah, like that. So I guess we made this clear, and that will be the pallu. And we also have a ikat kind of printed blouse. Yeah, can we see the blouse? Yeah, that's the blouse. So this is sari number 5, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. We usually send our couriers through speed post, and the prices usually include the shipping also. So this sari number 6. Sari number 6 is this funky sari with all these leaves printed all over the body of the sari, like that, like these banana leaves printed all over the body of the sari, and it's got these borders, these vines as borders, like that, and that will be the sari, and it's got this beautiful printed pallu. It's got a printed blouse like that. So this is sari number 6, priced at 1599. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Sari number 7 again is a very funky sari. It's got this urban print all over the body of the sari and a colorful border with elephants on both the sides, like that. So that's the sari. It's got these urban building kind of print all over the body of the sari, and it's got a printed elephants on both the sides. So that's the sari, and that will be your pallu. It's got this big peacocks in the pallu and a printed blouse. That will be your blouse. So this is sari number 7, priced at 1599. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. The sari number 8. Sari number 8 is this indigo sari with this printed vines all over the body of the sari. It's got these orange and green colored vines on the body, and for the border you see these beautiful peacocks in green and an orange base. So that is how the sari looks, and this will be your blouse. It's got this big printed peacock like that in green and orange, and it's got a green printed blouse like that. So this is sari number 8, priced at 1599. Moving on. This is another color in the previous sari that you saw, sari number 8. It's a black sari in the same print. So it's got this black vines all over the, it's got this vines all over the body of the sari.
Black based.
On a black base, yes. Like that. And it's got red borders on both the sides. So, and that will be the pallu. And it's got a printed blouse like that. It's got a printed blouse in red and off-white. So this is sari number 9, priced at 1599.
Gotcha.
So this is sari number 10. Sari number 10 is this beautiful off-white sari and this mustard vines all over the body of the sari. It's a mustard and red based sari. So you can see all these red borders on both the sides, and you have these peacocks printed in the borders, and these simple vines all over the border. Colorful. And that will be the pallu. It's got a big peacock, and we have a printed blouse in red and white. So this is sari number 10, priced at 1599. So this is sari number 11. Sari number 11 is this blue sari with this beautiful vines all over the body of the sari. It's got vines in mustard, red, and these printed peacocks all over the body of the sari, like you can see. And you can see red borders on both the sides with printed peacocks and birds like that. And that will be the sari. That will be the pallu, I'm sorry. So that's how it looks, and it's got a printed blouse like that. So yeah, So the sari number 11 priced at 1599. Moving on to the last sari of this video. Sari number 12 is this printed sari, block printed sari, like that. It's a very simple and elegant sari. It's like that, and then it's got these block prints all over the body of the sari, like you can see, and it's got a very simple border also.
On both sides of the.
Yeah, on both the sides, and that will be the pallu, and it's got a red printed blouse.
Block printed blouse.
So this is sari number 12 priced at 1599. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Send it to 9845 996 886. And please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We are Ameya Online there. And if you wish to see our future videos, please subscribe to our channel. We are there at Sharat City Capital Mall on the 3rd floor. Please take time to visit our store. And we have all payment options like Google Pay, Paytm, and Phone Pay. You can get in touch with us on the above numbers. Thank you. Happy shopping.